Hello. Welcome to the Trading Sources Show. We will be talking about different stocks today. Stocks that we'll be watching for the coming week. And they are all setting up nicely, either to the upside or to the downside. So, without further ado, it's not a recommendation to buy or sell an equity or investment advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only, these videos. Always consult with a professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. We'll get out of the way. Now we have to go into the stocks. Okay, the first stock I will be talking about is AMC. AFC is really interesting. On this one, according to Short Squeeze, they have zero point 0.4 days to cover their short position if they have short interest. And short interest so far, we have about 55.5 million shares shorted. Okay, short interest per hour shares short is 48 million. Okay, so overall, let's see what the institution owned by institution is 37%, owned by insiders 2.3%. So let's go into Finvis and see. Okay, short volume ratio is 34% on AMC. There was a news the other day that came up on AMC. Let's look at it real quick. This is the chart for AMC. AMC has a short float of 233 million shares. And we have AMC CEO. Let's open that up real quick. Okay, now it said AMC Entertainment CEO compensation more than doubled to nearly 21 million. Whew, that is interesting. Okay, so let's see. Compensation include 1.11 million in salary, down from 1.25 million a year ago, as well as 5 million bonus and 14.8 million in stock award. Wow. Anyways, let's get into the chart for AMC. AMC, what I will be looking for on this name is for the stock to pull through. Okay, for the stock to pull through. Right now, we have a channel forming right here. Okay, this is our pretty much we need to break that resistance around here. If we can break 1450 on AMC, I think my target overall on AMC is $20 per share. That will be my target on AMC, because I do like the fact that we are holding the RSI. Yeah, so RSI is steady, and I do like it. Let's get into the market and see what the market is going to do potential for the following week. SPY. SPY, what I'm looking for on SPY is a retest. Okay, we broke this level. Okay, we broke out to the upside. Okay, now I'm trying to see if we can test this level. We should be all right. Pull back to test the if we cannot hold this support, the 20 EMA, we should be able to pull back down. All right, we should be able to pull back down on SPY. If we cannot hold the 20, we'll pull back to the 50. Okay, that is overall. But my ultimate price target on SPY is $400 per share. That is my price target on the market. Next one I'll be looking at is Qualcomm. Okay, the reason why I like this is because we broke the downtrend. Okay, we broke the downtrend. Right now we're just consolidating around this area. If we can reclaim the 20 EMA, we should be able to test the 50 on Qualcomm. Next one is gonna be UPST. UPST is an interesting stock. Okay, so for this one, I like the fact that we broke this level right here, and I got in long. I sold some right here around 105, and I held the rest. So I'm expecting this to still pop just a little bit more. okay, so that we can extend and then pull back to retest this support. So this resistance will now act as a support. Volume is good, but the volume didn't come much higher than this previous one, so keep your eye on it. Next is going to be Facebook, FB. Okay, the beauty of Facebook is simple. Look at how we broke this resistance. Okay, we broke out of resistance, and what we need to watch on Monday, see if we can hold above this resistance level, which will now turn to be our support, and then we'll continue to push higher. The market was dropping, but what of you? Yeah, look at it. The market was dropping down, but Facebook was pushing higher, so that's a divergence there. Next one is going to be VISL. VISL, I do like VISL. The reason why I like it is simple. They had a contract with, let's see. They had a contract of 4 million VISL. Okay, so they were awarded a contract of 4 million U.S. Department of Defense for handheld intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, something. Okay, so also another reason why I like it is because this link joined the European Broadcasting Union, so which will help to prop this stock up in the long run. And the fact that they already done their offering is a good deal as well, because they announced closing of 50 million registered direct offering priced at the market. So my overall target for this company is $5. This is going to be my overall price target. Our RSI is good. I do like RSI. MACD is calling up, volume is coming in. Overall, we need to maintain and hold this 20 EMA. If we can hold this level, we should be able to push higher we go. Okay, that next on the list is DLPN. All right, DLPN is simple. This one, what I'm looking for here is the break of this resistance. This is a resistance. I needed to break this level. If we can break this level of 570, 575, we should be able to push higher and test $7.50. Keep an eye on it. We just need volume to come in. Next on the list is SNDL. SNDL has been a talk of the town. So right here we have our resistance around here. So we need to break $1.75 and we should be able to push higher on this one. Okay, MACD is pretty good on this as well. Next one is going to be CCL. I don't know if I've talked about CCL, but CCL. The reason why I like this is because we have a good flag over here. Ascending triangle as well. So we should continue higher. We just rejected the 20 EMA like we did on the 50. RSI is decent, though we are extended on the MACD area, but we just need more volume to push this higher. Overall, I'm leaning bullish on it. Next one is going to be AZEK. AZEK. I just need us to test this downtrend. We need to test this downtrend, break it, and we should be able to push higher. Next one is going to be ABBV. ABBV. ABBVB. The reason for this is I see that we have a support here. If we can hold this support, we should be able to retest our 20 and 50 EMA. If we don't, then we'll pull back down to the, let's say about the $100 or the $98 area. So keep your eye on it. Next one is going to be my favorite, GHSI. GSI. Right now we're consolidating. I do like it. Okay, I like the box. We're consolidating right here. So we either break up or we break down. But overall, I'm leaning bullish because why? We have this right here. Okay? We have this area right here. So we just need to get above 350 and we should be able to push higher. Okay, I do like it, and I also like the fact that it's a recent reverse split name, GHSI. All right. Yeah, so it's a recent reverse split name, and I do like it, and actually regain listing, Nasdaq listing. So keep your eye on it. It says GSI announced 146 reverse stock split effective March 1. So I do like that. Next one is going to be VCEL. For VC, I actually took some calls on it, but I took a debit. I took a call spread on it. So debit call spread. So I'm expecting this to, at least give me another $5 per share, and then I will go on the opposite side, get me a debit put spread on this name. Overall, we have 73% on the RSI. Volume is decent, so I'm expecting a little bit push, a little more push to maybe $65 per share on this VCEL. The reason why the stock is pushing is because they were going to join the S&P 600, I think. Yes. So Vericel sets to join S&P small cap 600. So that's pretty much the reason why it's pushing higher, and overall I do like it. Okay. The next one I'll be looking at is let's see the Riot. Okay, I'll be looking at this name. This stock will push higher if Bitcoin keep pushing higher. Okay, we just broke this trend. We didn't come back or pull back to test it. However, we held the what? We held this level, which is our 20 EMA. So right now we just need to break this resistance, and we should be able to push higher. Overall, I'm leaning bullish in the name. As soon as we get the momentum going with Bitcoin, this will keep pushing higher and higher and higher. Last but not the least is UPST. UPST, I like the fact that this is actually holding up. Okay, we broke this level, this area right here. Okay, and then we push higher. So I'm expecting this to still continue pushing higher a little bit, and then we sell off. I'm looking at a debit put spread on this name. And last but not the least is Tesla. Tesla, the reason why I like Tesla is because we have a trend right here. So Tesla need to break this trend. If we can break 710, 711 area, we should continue pushing higher. Overall, this is our resistance area. If we can break this 710, 711, we should continue pushing higher. Volume is coming in. RSI is 43%, which is still good, and MACD is calling up. So volume is coming in. Overall, I'm leaning bullish because also we have Cathie Wood actually mentioned this, and they came up with the price target for Tesla to be $3,000. Okay, so that is the bull case for Cathie Wood. Okay, Cathie Wood ARK Funds lays out $3,000 price target for Tesla. Okay, so you can always read this on your own and see why they made the bullish price target. But overall, they're looking at Tesla to hit $4,000 per share in 2025. So pretty much one share of Tesla, which is trading right now at what, $6.54. You'll be making decent amount of money even if you get one share by 2025. Okay, that'll be it for tonight, and see you guys on the next video, and I hope you all enjoyed. Don't hesitate to email me or follow me on Twitter at FRONKTSS for more technical analysis and chatting during the market hours. Okay, I'm available and I'm open to have a discussion and find out where the price level or where the stock is going, or either up or down. I'll be able to give you my analysis and my thesis on the stock. Have you a fantastic evening, and see you in the trading room. Bye bye.